Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most brutal, insane, and unapologetically powerful production cars on the planet, the 2026 Dodge Demon 170. If you're someone who lives for raw horsepower, neck snapping, acceleration, and muscle car madness, then buckle up, because this beast is not for the faint of heart. Dodge has taken things to a whole new level with this machine, and we're going to break down everything from its aggressive styling to its monstrous powertrain, interior details, and of course, the price tag that comes with all this muscle. From the moment you lay your eyes on the 2026 Demon 170, it screams aggression. The exterior is sculpted for performance with bold lines, a wide stance, and race-ready aerodynamics. The massive front grille is all business, feeding cool air into the supercharged engine that lurks underneath the hood. The hood itself features a new dual snorkel intake design that not only looks mean but actively enhances engine breathing. The front splitter is wider and sits lower to improve downforce, while the rear wing is taller and more aggressive than ever. Dodge hasn't held back here. Everything is functional and tuned for maximum performance on and off the drag strip. The 2026 model continues to use lightweight materials like carbon fiber and aluminum, shedding unnecessary weight to improve performance. The fenders are flared aggressively to accommodate the fat drag radials in the rear, and the stance is just menacing, low, wide, and poised like a predator ready to strike. You also get signature Demon badging, exclusive 170 graphics, and an overall visual package that sets it apart from anything else on the road. Now let's talk about where the Demon 170 truly earns its name. Under the hood, this monster is powered by a 6.2-liter supercharged Hemi V8, but it's not the same old engine from the Hellcat days. Dodge has fine-tuned this engine with a larger 3.0-liter supercharger, reinforced internals, and E85 ethanol capability. When running on E85, the Demon 170 produces a mind-blowing 1,025 horsepower and 945 pounds-ft of torque. That's not a typo. Over 1,000 horses from a factory-built muscle car, this makes it the most powerful internal combustion muscle car ever made. All that power translates into some insane numbers. Dodge claims the Demon 170 can rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 1.66 seconds, making it quicker than some hypercars. The quarter mile, a ridiculous 8.91 seconds at 151 miles per hour. And this isn't just some theoretical figure. This is real-world tested and certified. The car comes standard with a trans brake, drag mode, suspension, line lock, launch control, and a revised 8-speed automatic transmission built to handle the violent torque. Rear-wheel drive is the only option here, because this car is built for the strip, not comfort cruising. But speaking of comfort, Dodge hasn't totally ignored the interior. Step inside, and you're greeted by a driver-focused cockpit that balances performance with minimal luxury. Depending on the spec, you can either go stripped down with one seat and no rear seats for maximum weight savings, or choose a full interior setup with Alcantara and leather-trimmed seats. The steering wheel is wrapped in suede, and you get paddle shifters for manual control. The Uconnect touchscreen infotainment system remains functional and responsive, allowing access to the SRT performance pages, where you can monitor G-Force's reaction times, engine output, and even launch history. There's also a custom Demon 170 instrument cluster with updated graphics and exclusive badging. While the cabin is still relatively basic compared to luxury cars, Dodge focused on putting performance first, and every component inside reflects that mission. The optional demonic red interior adds a splash of color and flair, reminding you that you're sitting inside something far from ordinary. Safety features are limited, mainly because this car is built for the track. You do get basic stability and traction controls, but if you're running full drag mode, you're essentially relying on your own skill and experience. It's raw, unfiltered muscle, just the way it should be. Now let's talk about the price. Dodge isn't giving this beast away cheap, and rightfully so. The base price of the 2026 Dodge Demon 170 starts around $125,000, but with options and limited edition packages, it can easily climb past $150,000. Dodge has announced that only a limited number of these will be made, and that scarcity will drive up the collector value even further. In fact, dealerships are already taking deposits well above MSRP, and it's expected to be one of the most in-demand muscle cars in recent history. That said, you're not just buying a car, you're buying a legacy. The Demon 170 marks the end of an era for gas-powered American muscle cars. It's a final roar before electrification takes over, and Dodge wanted to make sure they went out with a bang. And boy, did they deliver. So who is this car for? It's for the purists, the speed freaks, the quarter-mile warriors. It's not for daily commuting, and it's certainly not for those looking for fuel economy. It's loud, brash, violent, and completely over the top. Exactly what a modern-day muscle car should be. It doesn't apologize for what it is, and that's what makes it special. If you're lucky enough to see one on the road, or even luckier to drive one, you'll understand that the 2026 Dodge Demon 170 isn't just a car. It's a celebration of combustion, a tribute to American horsepower, and a fitting send-off for one of the most iconic eras in automotive history. Whether you're a Dodge fan or just a speed enthusiast, the Demon 170 deserves your attention. Thanks for watching this review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. What do you think about the 2026 Dodge Demon 170? Is this the king of muscle cars? Would you daily drive it if you could? I'll catch you in the next video with more high-octane content. Stay fast, stay furious.